And in line with your discussion, Mr. Vieira, about states picking up the alternate currencies, a number of states have looked at having gold as legal tender. I think Virginia, Utah, Texas even had an electronic circulating component to it. None of them, as best I can tell, ever got any traction. Is there anywhere in the United States now where there is some potential traction? And if not, how would you get that kind of a movement started?
Well, of course, one of the problems is that the state legislators don't understand this problem as within their area of authority, let alone expertise. You talk to the typical state legislator, and I had this experience in Virginia trying to get a study commission set up to look at the possibility of alternative currencies. And the response was generally, well, that's a problem for the U.S. Treasury, that's a problem for the Federal Reserve, it's not a problem for the Commonwealth of Virginia. Exactly wrong, but typically that's what they do. Then secondly, statutes such as the one passed in Utah, these people are moving on little cat's feet. And so the first step that they wanted to take was, let's declare in Utah that United States legal tender gold and silver coins are legal tender in Utah. Big deal, of course they are. You couldn't declare the opposite, right? What is this all about? What they needed to say under that statute was that the gold clause contracts made in the state of Utah with those coins had to be specifically enforced by the Utah court, so you wouldn't have the judiciary playing some of these monetary substitution games. And then somewhere in the statute claim that this authority they were exercising in the statute derived from their constitutional authority to make gold and silver coin a tender and payment of debts, so as to obviate the possibility of Congress coming back again with a gold seizure trick that they pulled in 33 and 34. And that's where the legislators, the yellow streak shows up. It's not so much a matter of they don't understand as they bloody well do understand that they don't want to go directly against the authority of the government in Washington. And my response is, well, if you don't go against that, you're going to go under. Those are your choices.
And I endorse everything that Ed just said. He has been one of the leading lights in this crusade to get the legislatures to adopt at least U.S. gold and silver coins as a legal tender within the states.